another recipe that's going to help with the detox of your body. You're going to need a cup of water. You're going to need carrots to help with the cholesterol. You're going to need a cucumber. That's going to definitely help with the digestive tract. You're going to need a lemon, a whole lemon. You're going to peel it. Make sure you get the seeds out. You're going to need an orange. And make sure you get the seeds out of that as well. You're going to need a hint of ginger, which lowers the blood sugar. And of course, cucumbers. So we're going to get in our water. We're going to do a cup of a carrot. We got an orange. We got a whole lemon peeled. A cup of a cucumber. And a hint of a ginger. You're going to, if it's organic, you don't need to peel it. But if it is, if it's not organic, you need to peel the skin off. So we're going to blend. So this is another wonderful drink that will help alkaline your body, detox, and get your organs to function like they should. You could drink this drink maybe once a week. Wow, that's good. Bye-bye.